Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a quick video on basic melee attacks. This is going to be a very simple video. All we really need in this is the free animation pack, the free melee warrior animations. I'll link it in the description. And we won't even need weapons. I think it actually comes with a few weapons, so that's fine. Anyways, let's get into this. So first thing we need, well, we already have our character set up. I assume by now most people know how to set up their characters and their preferred camera views. So after you do that, we're going to create a canvas. We're going to scale it with screen size just to be safe. This should always be a thing. Alright, and that's to my screen size, so you do whatever yours is. Anyways, so got a panel here, and we're just going to create a game creator button. Well, first we're going to start off with a UI image. I'm going to call this combat background image. So I'm going to make that black. About opacity 100. I'm gonna get a circle picture for this. I'm gonna change the button size up. So I designed for mobile, so I'm going for mobile controls. This still applies as an input. You could create an input to like left mouse button or something to do this instead. But anyways, let's do this. So this is a little big, but that's fine. Actually no, we'll go 200. Alright, we're gonna move that over here a little bit and down, kind of where a mobile control would be. So under that I'm gonna create a game creator button, and that too is also going to be a circle. Now if you have your own images, that's great. You know, I'm sure you'd rather have a picture of like a sword or something to indicate this is, you know, like an attack button. So I'm gonna center this back into there. So that's kind of the button, that's the background of the button. And yeah, so this is nice and simple. Once you have the animation pack, find the animation you want. I'm gonna go with, I guess there's only one to go with. Okay. So yeah, you're going to add the instruction to play. Well, I like it so when I attack I'm not moving, so I'm going to stop my movement. Or better yet, I'm just going to change my movement speed. Change movement speed to 0 on player. Then we're going to play gesture on player. We're going to drag the animation here, and then I'm going to copy and paste the movement speed instruction, move it down, set it back to 4. Now this is a very basic way of doing it. It works. As soon as you add in stats, you know, stamina or something, you can have this drain stamina. You can get more creative with it. Oh, what's going on? Okay. So for some reason my guy wants to sit down. Anyways, I'll play this, and as you can see, there's a basic punch. I am not sure what's going on with my feet here. Maybe we'll just ignore that for now. I just wanted to get it out that, you know, we have this. I'm gonna duplicate that. I'm gonna make it like a skill button now. So let's pretend we name that skill. We'll just move it over here and have this one. If it were on stats, this would drain a lot more stamina, I guess. So we'll slide this animation into here where the old one is. And let's check it out. So if we had a sword in hand or a shield, we'd be able to attack and then shield bash. You know what? I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to add just some very basic cube shapes to indicate what we're using here. Alright, so under right hand, I'm going to create a 3D object cube. This is going to be our sword, obviously. And we're going to change this way down. Oh. Alright, so this is going to be our sword. Not much of a sword, but you know, it's nice. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to duplicate this, drag it into our left hand. And I'm going to make this into like a shield, I guess. There. So there, that should be set. I really wish I knew why my guy was running like the way he is. Anyways, let me show you it now with some example items. Attack, attack, shield bash, and that's pretty much it. That's some very basic melee attacks. Now, for this, in order to actually work, say for the sword, you would want to add a new empty, call it collision, and this goes for the shield too. Okay, I guess I'm on the shield. So anyways, in that collision you would add a box collider, make it a trigger, scale it just a little bigger than the actual shield itself so you know it hits. So yeah, now this shield has its own collision. You would add a tag in here, call it like damage 25, and then you would add the damage 25 tag to it. And let's see, if you had an enemy, like pretend this player is an enemy, you would give him a trigger saying, you know, on trigger enter tag. I'll just do it, I'll show you. So on here, so it'd be like on trigger enter tag. Okay, so we need a collider before we do that. So you would add a box collider. So this would initiate. So if this shield hit somewhere within this box, you would add the trigger, you know, on tag enter damage 25. You would have the player's health subtract by 25. Now, I don't have the stats module installed. I will explain all that again through a stats video. But when stats is in there, you would get the options to subtract or add a certain stat. So as long as this collision enters that collision, he'll take damage. And that's pretty much it for basic videos. I wish my guy walked properly so I could properly show you, but I mean, I'm sure you get the concept that with the press of a button or the click of a mouse, you can have your guy perform animations in no time. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give it a like, maybe subscribe if you do, and we'll pump out some more videos in the meantime. Anyways, thanks for watching, and peace out.